Hi everyone, it's me Tala again and welcome to Tala TV. So it's actually nighttime and I'm going to be unboxing Legos I bought from Shopee, and those Legos are Cinamoroll and Kuromi. I'm super duper excited, but I think I'm going to be opening up Cinamoroll first. I'm going to be adding these to my Sanrio collection. Ang iingay nila, grabe. Take 2. Okay, so papakita ko na yung other Legos ko from my Sanrio collection. So first off, we're going to I'm gonna show you my cars first. So this one, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a bus. And ang cute kasi meron siyang malaking ribbon at the front. Dito siya sa taas. And then what I love about the Legos is that meron yung mga other Lego pieces, may print na siya, tsaka drawings and stuff. This one naman is a pink car. I just love all of the details. And what I also like about this is, gumagana din yung wheels niya. Super adorable. And now that I showed you the cars, I'm gonna show you the other Lego characters. Okay, so I got this from UP Town Center. One of my lolas bought it for me. I think I told you that on my first vlog. So if you guys are interested, please watch that vlog as well. And then I also found more on Shopee, so I decided to get both of these. So this one is Pom Pom Porem and this one is My Melody. And I'm actually wearing a My Melody cardigan I also got from Shopee. And naka-pink headband din ako, diba? Kahit ang init-init. for the vlog. Anyways, now that I've showed you all of those, I'm going to start building. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to be opening up is Cinamoroll, like I said. And now let's get the stuff out of the box. Now I'm going to be cutting all of these open with my handy dandy scissors. Now that everything is open, let's start building. Done building Cinamoroll. Look at that, so cute. And also the ears rotate just like Pom Pom Purim. And then look at the cute tail at the back. And that face, oh, it's so adorable. And I actually had a bit of problems with building the Lego because I had the hard time looking for the other Lego parts. Nahihirapan ako, naghahalongkat ako ng time na yun, but it still looks really cute in the end. Now that we are done with Cinamoroll, we're going to move on with building Kuromi. I'm super duper excited, pero it's super late na. It's 11:44 p.m. ng gabi. It's going to turn into 12 a.m. na ng umaga. But that's alright. Push pa rin tayo. So yeah, let's start building. Okay, so now we're going to be opening up the box and we're going to be getting out everything that's inside it. Hi everyone, you're probably wondering why the lighting looks better now. It's because I decided to film na lang the next day kasi pagod na din ako, and my mom and my brother already went inside the room and I didn't want to vlog in front of them. So now we're going to be opening all of these up. that we are done cutting everything already, I'm going to start building. Finally done with building everything, and this is Kuromi right over here. Ganda, diba? So nice. And now that I've built everything, I'm going to put all of them back on my shelf. This is what it looks like. So, pinagtabi ko si Kuromi and si My Melody because I think they look good together. And then si Pom Pom Perm, si Cinamoroll, and si Hello Kitty sa baba. And yes, that's it. And that's it, everyone, for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notifications below to be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one. Bye!